Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bring photos to life using this app on your iPhone. This turns your photos into a video like this. Before we begin, shout out to all of these people who have commented on my last giveaway, and congratulations to this person who has won the £10 Amazon gift card voucher. This week I'll be doing the second giveaway and I'll be giving away another £10 Amazon gift card voucher. All you have to do is comment on this video and subscribe to the channel, and it's that simple. I'll be picking a winner from this video's comments. Winners will be announced Sunday 14th March 2021. Good luck to all. So go to your app store and download Tokkingheads. It'll look like this. Open the app and this is how it will look like. At the top here you can see the popular and recent videos made by some of the users using this app. Just below that you can choose an existing photo and bring it to life. Now if you scroll down you'll see two icons. You can take a photo using your camera or use an existing one from your photo library. I'll tap on the photo library and tap on a photo which I want to bring to life. Now it'll take you to the next page. You have the video tab, text tab and the voice tab. For this tutorial I'll be concentrating mainly on the video tab, but you can add text and voice to your video as well. Here in the video tab, select your video style of how you want your subject to move in the photo. Now just below that the app gives you two options. You can record your own video using the camera, or you can upload a video from the photo library to copy the face movements. In this tutorial I'll upload a video from my photo library. Just a tip, make sure the video which you're uploading has the same composition as your photo, or else it will give you an error. Now once you have selected the video, now tap on Make Video. The video will start to process, and once it is finished it'll show you the picture and the video you chose to copy from. Tap on the photo to replay the video. As you can see, the app has brought the photo to life. The face movements will copy the video you have uploaded. The app is free, but if you want to remove the watermark or download it in high resolution, then you will need to pay for it. You can remove the video from where the movement was copied from. Now from here you can share it to different social media platforms, or you can download it to your phone by pressing the download button. So using AI technology, this app can actually bring your photos to life. Try it out with your friends and family and have fun. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Just a reminder, make sure you comment and subscribe for your chance to win the £10 Amazon gift card voucher. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.